Thank you.
Nakuha mo yung package. Why don't you sit down? Sana nakuha mo ang mga sagot sa tanong mo.
Listen, when I was little, nakita ko ang mama kong may kasamang lalaki sa kwarto nila. Naiwan niya ang relo niya sa living room namin. I couldn't stop thinking about the date on the back of the watch. Yung araw na pinakita mo sa akin yung watch. I had a bad flashback.
You thought that was me?
Seeing my mom with another guy hurt me so much. Kailangan mong intindihin. Kasi buong buhay kong inaalam kung sino ang lalaking yun. Hindi ko alam kung anong magagawa ko kung nahanap ko siya.
Why didn't you ask me?
I was angry at you. Nabaliw na ako.
I can understand how you feel para na kitang anak. But what hurt me the most is that you think I could do such a thing.
I'm sorry.
I'm really angry with you, but I do understand. And tama ka naman, Alihan.
Why didn't you say anything before?
When you came to see me that day, it was too late for everything. Sobrang galit mo. Hindi ko maniniwala sa kahit ano sabihin ko.
Tama ka. I think I wouldn't believe you.
I waited for the right moment.